Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can blur your Zoom background on Android phone. So after you update the latest version of a Zoom app, Zoom Workplace, you cannot simply set your virtual background or blur your background on the meeting setting. Usually in old version, you can just tap more and go to the meeting settings, and here you can set your virtual background. But right now, in order to change your background, you can start new meeting or join meeting first. This, for example, let's start a new meeting. And here you can try to select the toolbar and tap on apps. And this is the virtual backgrounds. Now virtual backgrounds become third party powered by Pexels. There are total 4 categories. There is a nature, interiors, art, and travel. And in order to blur your Zoom background, you can tap these 3 dots beside search a filter, and there is a blur a background here. Just tap it and apply into your meeting Zoom meeting. So let's get back. So let's try once more time. Start new meeting or join new meeting. Now you can try to slide the toolbar and tap on apps and directly go to the virtual backgrounds and tap 3 dots at the top of your screen beside the search filter and tap blur. So this is how you can change your virtual background into the blurry one, or you can try this 4 categories by Pexels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the X button below. See you in the next video.